Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Chevy Volt with its key. First, make sure your Volt is in park or neutral. Then, insert the physical key into the ignition slot. Turn the key to the on position, and then to start. Hold it there briefly until the engine engages. This method is straightforward for a quick start when your key fob is working normally. It's a simple process to get your vehicle ready to drive. If your key fob battery is low, don't worry. Your Chevy Volt has a backup method. Look for a special slot, usually in the center console or glove box, designed for the key fob. Insert the entire key fob into this slot. This allows the car to read the fob's chip directly. With the fob in place, press the brake pedal and then push the start button. Your Volt should power on without issue. What if your Chevy Volt's main battery is dead? You'll need a jump start. Connect jumper cables from a working vehicle's battery to your Volt's battery. Attach the positive cable to the positive terminals first, then the negative cable to the negative terminals. Let the connection sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge transfer. Then, try starting your Volt. Remember to remove the cables in reverse order. Here are some important tips for starting your Chevy Volt with the key. Always keep a spare key fob, ideally with a fresh battery, in a safe place. Familiarize yourself with your specific model's owner's manual, as details can vary slightly. Practicing these key start methods can save you time and stress during an unexpected situation. Being prepared ensures you can always get your Volt running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.